that the IRS wound up issuing out some specific guidance on to make sure to avoid these firms that were set up to establish, hey, we'll get you this massive tax credit for keeping employees on your payroll during COVID, and we will do that all for, just 20% of the refund that we're able to get. Folks, that should be a red stop sign. Anytime you're talking to someone about filing their taxes, they should not be saying to you, don't worry about how much this is going to cost you. How much this is going to cost you is simply going to be a function of the amount of the refund that we are going to get you. That's a problem, because when they file the tax return and they create a bunch of tax credits, refunds, whatnot, and then they collect their fee immediately, you're very much left holding the bag. So be careful if you're getting charged a percentage based on the refund that the tax preparer can actually do. And this is relatively common with ghost tax preparers as well, where it's folks that will say, oh, we'll go ahead and file your taxes and let us do all of that work, and then they won't actually sign the return. That is another red alert that you should be aware of. If someone has done your taxes but you don't see their name where they've signed the return, that's a problem, because then that means they're not taking responsibility for what's on the return. Similarly, a lot of tax debt forgiveness and IRS settlement scams are around these days, so beware of that. The IRS doesn't just simply settle outstanding tax liabilities for pennies on the dollar for anybody and everybody. Similarly, a lot of fake charity scams out there as well. To really double check if you're contributing to a real charity, there are some IRS tax exempt organization search websites that will allow you to find out whether in fact you are giving to a legitimate charity. We often run into that, particularly some of these GoFundMes and things like that, where people say, oh, I contributed money to a GoFundMe page, and at the end of the day, I gave $100, so I should get a tax credit or tax deduction for that. And the reality is, no, you won't get that, because it wasn't a valid 501c3. So just some of the things that you need to be aware of to protect yourself this tax season.